Let's look at combinations, number of outcomes. We're going to use a bit of visual aid to help us understand that. 20 people take part in clinical trial. 10 of them will be picked to be in group A. The remaining 10 people will be in group B. So that's what I've done. 10 people, different colors, different groups. So the first part is saying how many different combination of 10 people can be picked to be in group A. I know that this visual aid doesn't help you here because actually for the second part, but here basically what we are saying, out of 20 people, we want to choose 10, isn't it? So it is a simple combination 20 choose 10. As that's the reason why I'm writing it, so that you can see that as we are saying it, that's the kind of calculation we do. And we put that in the calculator, and that's the number of combination we get. Now, I want us to have a look at the second part. So in the second part, so 10 people are picked and put in group A. So let's say that group A. Each person in group A is now paired with a person in group B, making 10 pairs. How many different sets of pairs can we have? So that's my group B. So if you think about it, if I pick this person from group A and then I pair it with this person, that's one option, isn't it? Or that second option, or that third option. So we get the idea that, so let's pick them together. So we get the idea that for the very first pair, we have 10 different options. And then let's have a look at the second pair. So now we are picking that second one. How many options does it have to choose from? Well, there is only 9 of them, isn't it? So that person will take one and there will be 9. So then there is 9 options. And following that logic, we're going to have, and then 8, and then 7, and so on. So how do we do that calculation? 10 multiplied by 9, multiplied by 8, by 7, because number of outcomes is number of options, multiplied by number, let's write that. Number of outcomes, that is number of options, multiply by number of options, multiply by number of and so on. We can keep on going. So here we're going to go all the way till the end, and 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now we can write that in a short form, 10 and then exclamation mark, which means factorial. And we have that in our calculator, but like I'm saying, even if we put it that way, it still works. So we have 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0, 0. Loads of combination, as you can see.